It's the middle of January, and Rose's planning team wants to get ahead of Valentine's Day. Their logic makes perfect sense. Run the gift box line now, build up inventory, and avoid the February crunch. So they schedule 3 weeks of full production on heart-shaped toffee assortments. Every box packed early is one less problem in February, right? This is how overproduction starts. And it's so common that lean thinkers call it the mother of all waste. Overproduction means making more than the next step in your process needs, or making it sooner than it's needed. It feels productive. It feels safe. But watch what happens next. 3 weeks of early production creates 1,200 square feet of finished Valentine's boxes sitting in climate-controlled storage. That storage costs $14 per square foot per month. So just warehousing those early boxes costs nearly $17,000 before a single one ships. But the cost of holding inventory goes far beyond rent. Someone has to move those pallets into storage. Someone has to track them. Someone has to move them back out when orders come in. And here's the part that really hurts. This toffee is made with real butter and almonds. Natural ingredients with a shelf life. Every day those boxes sit in storage is a day closer to the edge of freshness. 2 weeks into storage, Rose's quality team pulls samples from the Valentine's inventory. What they find is fat bloom, a grayish-white film on the chocolate surface. It happens when cocoa butter migrates to the surface and recrystallizes, usually because of temperature fluctuations. The warehouse thermostat holds steady at 62 degrees, but every time that loading dock door opens for a delivery, warm air pushes in. The toffee is safe to eat, but it looks wrong. Customers paying $28 for a premium gift box expect glossy, perfect chocolate, not a chalky film that looks like something went bad. This is a defect. And it was caused, 3 steps back, by the decision to overproduce. This is what makes overproduction so dangerous. It never stays as just one waste. Watch the cascade. Overproduction creates excess inventory. That inventory requires transportation. Forklifts, moving pallets to the warehouse and back. That transportation means loading dock doors opening, temperature fluctuations, and handling damage. Those fluctuations cause fat bloom, defects. One decision to get ahead generated 4 different wastes. And here is the critical distinction. Overproduction is not the same thing as high productivity. Running your toffee cooker at full speed feels productive. But if your enrobing line can only coat half of that output, you are not being productive. You are building a pile of inventory that will sit, move, sit again, and possibly degrade. Let's add it up. That single decision to run Valentine's boxes 3 weeks early costs roughly $32,500, $17,000 in storage, $4,200 in extra labor and transportation, $8,400 to rework the bloomed pieces, remelting, retempering, re-enrobing, and $3,100 in product that bloomed too badly to save and had to be scrapped. $32,000. From one decision that everyone on the planning team thought was the safe, smart choice. That is why lean thinkers start with overproduction. It is the waste that feeds the others.